Okay, this master bedroom got its own bathroom. We are on the second level upstairs. So here's the hallway, and there's another bathroom here that is not finished. All the structure is concrete, but there's missing doors. This is a fixer-upper property, so you need to be aware of the construction details about the roof. You need to be aware of the electrical conditions. Again, you can see the roof. It's normal to see properties like this one, bank-owned properties, without doors, without windows. I'm making this video because a few minutes ago, I was doing a showing here to another clients that came from the States, and they were not used to this type of property. So I gave them my explanations about the conditions, what suggestions must be work. This is the laundry area. Here is a fire evidence. So when you buy this type of property with an ocean view, and that is coloso. So we are in Aguada, in the top of a hill, and from the house you can view to the ocean. This is like a storage area, and you see that line, that is termites. So the property got termites in the hookup connections laundry room. You see this level, down level, and other downstairs level. Remember, if you want to hire a property inspector, you can do it. In this case, I'm a realtor. I can give you details of observations, but I am not a contractor, I am not an engineer. I'm just showing you property conditions and the neighborhood. This is the address, Road 14, kilometer 3.1, Aguada, Puerto Rico. This is a walkthrough video. This property could be on the market for around maybe 2 or 3 months. Now we're entering to the first ground level. This is the first unit. This area is area of living, dining. Here's supposed to be the kitchen area. So there's no kitchen cabinets. Here is a bedroom, only tiles. There's no sanitary equipment. And there's 2 doors, 1, 2. I mean 2 access without doors. Doors are missing. This is the first room. Inside of this first room, you can see a box here. That is the electrical box. And going out the room, going to the living kitchen area, you go back again to the second room. So this second room seems to be like one room here and another room here, and this wall was opened and they converted in a bigger room. So downstairs originally was 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and now it's 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. They got a balcony here. Access to the garage outside area. Same way that we enter. Laundry hookup connections. Balcony view. View to the ocean. View to the driveway, to the highway. And here is an extended area of another utility slash storage slash office room. You see the roof needs to be fixed. These windows to the other garage access of the house. Always call a realtor, 787-307-6673. This is Eddie showing a house that is lower than $60,000. Available for the market as is conditions. So you have to buy it and make your repairs. So second floor, first floor, and stairs, downstairs area. Small yard, fixer-upper areas, concrete, concrete repairs must be done. Going down, I will show you now this level. This is like a basement that used to have windows, sink, pipes that are missing for sanitary connections. Looking to the outside area, you will see here a pipe going down, missing sanitary connections. And who knows where the septic is. Probably the septic must be relocated or fixed or reviewed by a contractor or engineer. So this downstairs basement, they got another bathroom. So here is another bathroom. Okay. So the unit had 3 levels. First house, second level, second unit, and downstairs they get a basement storage slash manscape. Going upstairs again. That That is neighbor's property. Downhill area called Sector Agustin Crespo Silva. And this is the house. Grab your phone, 787-307-6673, just to come and visit this property. Available for sale, less than $60,000, and is available in Aguada, Puerto Rico, very close to the highway road PR 52, also known as road number 2. Have a great day. This is Eddie. Thank you. Bye-bye.